Ray Dalio said something in his book Principles that really stuck with me and I think is really important for all of us to think about. He said, you can have just about anything you want, but not everything you want. Maturity is the ability to reject good alternatives in order to pursue even better ones. In this video, you and I are going to go over how you can take a minimalistic approach with your money so that you can reject those good alternatives in order to pursue even better ones. Towards the end of this video, I'll show you what I found in my house that I completely forgot about that I should probably get rid of right away. Hey, I'm Jarrad from Debt Free Blueprint, where I show awesome people like you how to get out of debt and create freedom through your finances using the debt-free blueprint. Taking a minimalistic approach with your money may sound a little woo-woo, but hold on for a minute because it's not at all. It could actually benefit you more than you think. Trust me, I'm one of the biggest skeptics of those woo things we always hear people talk about. Minimalism and money have to do with being intentional with things that you buy in your life. It has to do with stopping for a minute and looking around you to decide what really matters to you and what doesn't. It makes you question the need for some of the things that you already have. If you've never been exposed to the concept of minimalism before, then it could seem really difficult and even overwhelming. Minimalism isn't about depriving yourself of things by spending less money. It's not about selling everything that you own. Taking a minimalistic approach when it comes to your money has to do with using your money as the tool that it was created for, to figure out for yourself which things bring value to your life. One mistake many of us make is that we think we find value in everything. And if you find value in everything, then you actually find value in nothing. It's easy to find value in something in the moment, but it's difficult for your initial impulses to really be able to decide what is truly valuable to you and what isn't. Think about it though. If you give me the chance, then I can find value in buying another pair of shoes because heck, I'll wear them to work on Monday. If you allow me to, then I'll find value in a bigger house than I have now because bigger is always better, right? And if you let me, I will find value in anything. But for how long is the question? This is the toughest part though. Filtering through all of the things coming at you in life, deciphering what is truly valuable to you as opposed to having someone else or the advertisements that we see every single day telling us what they want us to value. Your money is your money. Maybe you feel like you have a problem with how you spend it, and maybe you don't. But if you have a feeling that you do, then I would start questioning if your value filter is working or not. Even if I gave you, we'll say $5 million right now, and you buy a whole bunch of things, literally everything that you want without taking on any debt, do you think that you would have value for all of those things equally? Since you have so much, it's nearly impossible to value everything, because you have way too many things, to the point where you'd probably even forget that you own some of those things. The conversation doesn't change whether you have $5 million or make $50,000 per year. You might most likely even have things in your life right now that you haven't thought about in months or even years. When I was brainstorming this video, I realized, hey Jarrad, you have this thing that you don't ever use. It's just sitting there. It's a power dot massager thing for like when I'm sore after working out. I need to get rid of it. As I always say, there is nothing wrong with spending money and buying things that we want so that we can enjoy our lives right here and now. But it's impossible to want and have everything unless you want to continue to be car poor, house poor, future poor, and carry debt for the rest of your life. Spending the money that we make is good, but spending less on the things that don't matter and more on the things that we really care about makes all the difference in the world. So start thinking about how you can employ a minimalistic approach when it comes to your money. Start forcing yourself to decide whether your next purchase is truly valuable to you, or if it's just going to be another thing in a month or two. If you don't start creating this filter for yourself, then you're going to get 10 years down the road and say to yourself, what in the hell did I do with all of my money? Leave a comment down below and let me know how you can apply a minimalistic approach to your money. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Smash that thumbs up button and pick up your free copy of the Debt Free Prep Workbook. Link is in the description or somewhere around my stupid head. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet so we can start getting you to the point where you are financially free. I'll see you in the next one, friends. Adios.